everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. This will be my fourth giveaway, ULTREAN air fryer in black color. The first one black color, the second was a teal light blue color, and the third one was red color, and the fourth one is also black color. Today's recipe will be lemon pepper chicken breast in air fryer. I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks how you can make your chicken breast juicy, moist and tender in air fryer. The seasoning I'm going to use parsley flakes, red crushed pepper, salt, black pepper, Kashmiri mirt and lemons. I'm going to show you how to make delicious lemon chicken breast. I got a big jumbo chicken breast. If you don't have a lemon, you can use always lemon pepper. We're going to put good juice on it, top of it. Then we're going to turn it over and put good juice on this side as well. Now get a fork. Poke it at many places, just like this. It will help the chicken breast. It will get tender, and it will also help all the spices will blend into it. So once you are done like this, then get other half poured lemon juice on top of it. This is all we need. As you see, it's a lot of juice in here on the plate. It soaks up a lot of lemon, so we have a good amount of lemon. The other lemon juice, I'm going to discard it. The reason I discarded the lemon juice, when we're going to put the spices, it will stay with it. If you have too much juice floating around, all the spices will go away. So we're going to put good amount of parsley flake, red chili flake, small amount of Kashmiri mirt. This is strictly optional. Only reason I'm doing it, it's going to give us a nice texture, nice color. Salt, black pepper. Now we're going to flip it and we're going to put the spices on this side. So small amount of on this side. This is looking good. Red crushed pepper. If you don't like hot food, then please skip it. Black pepper and salt. Parsley flake. Now we're going to get the air fryer basket. This one has a venter tray. In the air fryer, you will see the holes up here, which makes the air flow going inside, then coming down here. Now you have this much room, which is almost 1 inch. What I wanted to show it to you, this is hot water. I'm going to put hot water inside. So we got hot water this much. We're going to get thin lemon slices. This is strictly optional. If you haven't tried, please try it. Put these lemon slices inside the water. When we're going to cook it, it's going to give us lemon flavor. So almost 1 lemon, we'll put it inside. So that's the tip I'm sharing with you. And now we're going to put the tray on the top, just like that. Don't put water too much so it will hit the tray. Why I'm saying it, when you're going to put something to cook, it will touch the water. That's no good. So now I'll grab the chicken breast. Put it right on top. We can put another chicken breast, and now we're going to put it in air fryer, just like this, and we're going to make sure that we close it. We're going to start it. Keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep it for 25 minutes. 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 204 degrees Celsius, and we're going to start it. We're going to come back after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to flip it. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking at 400 degree Fahrenheit. Now we're going to open it. So when you open it very slowly because we have a water inside. And we're going to pull it. Wow, look at this delicious chicken breast. Now I'm going to turn this one over. And we'll place it in again for 10 minutes. So we're going to place it back again after flipping the chicken breast. Push it in and automatically it started at 400 degree Fahrenheit. 10 more minutes to go. Now I'm going to take it out. So just be careful, still we have a lot of water inside. Look at this, the chicken breast. This way it will be juicy and moist. I have my serving plate ready and we're going to take it out. Delicious, juicy chicken breast. And if we look at inside, the water is still there. So if you haven't tried, try this way. It's very tasty and delicious and easy to make lemon chicken breast made in air fryer. It's oilless, oil free, and it's a healthy chicken breast. And it's very soft, juicy. I shared the tips with you how you can make it juicy and moist. And serve with vegetables, and this is the perfect dinner. I hope you like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. And please don't forget to check my other video. Look at this. It's juicy, moist. So good. This was really juicy. I really like it. And we can cut it. It's very moist, juicy. That's where the water plays part in it. Please try this recipe, and if you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you. I'm going to see you soon with another recipe. Bye-bye.